is the website. So yes, today what we are starting a new chapter, that is relation and function. Okay, we will study about relation and functions. So in daily life, as you see, there are so many relations that is between teacher and student, mother and father, mother and daughter, father, daughter, and son. Okay, so same as it is, we have a relation that is between the maths also. In maths, you can see there are number of relations. Okay, what are the relations? For example, if I want to find if here that number x is square of y, number x is there, we have a number and that number is a square of other number. Okay, x is equal to y square. Okay, these are relations which we can deal with the in the daily life. Okay, and the same we have some relations that we can see in the mathematics. So what are the relations here? If I have a number x, so that number x is equal to square of y. So x I can write it as equal to y square. Okay, the second one, that is line L is perpendicular to L. We have a line, let anyone we consider L, and that is perpendicular to M. So what is the relation here? We can say this is a relation that line is perpendicular to the another line. Okay, so many relations are there where we will deal with the numbers. Okay. Now, next is here order pair. Next term which we will study, that is order pair. Order pair. So what it means, that when we have order pair is a pair of object taken in a specific order. When we take any object in a specific order, we say that is ordered pair. Okay. For example, if I am saying that a set that is A, for example, a teacher is there. Okay. Some examples I am taking like Richa. Okay. And one more like Ritu. Okay. Another is a set which is a set of a student like anyone, Anuj, Sita, Geeta. Yeah. So what I am saying here, that there is some particular order should be there, that if this is a science teacher. Okay, and these Anuj and Sita both are science students. Okay, so what is the order here? That Richa is a teacher of Anuj and Sita. So there is a particular order here. You can see that we can't say that Anuj is a teacher of Richa. Okay, so if I am saying that Richa is a teacher, so with that Anuj is a student. Okay, then next for this Richa, the another one that student is that is Sita. For example, like Ritu is a common teacher. This Ritu is a commerce teacher. So with that, if you consider Gita is a commerce student, so I will write here Ritu and then Gita. Here. So what is the relation here? That this first one is the teacher of second one. Okay. There is a particular order you can see, means there is a specific order in the relation. Okay. We can't write here Anuj and then Richa. Here. So what we will think here, what we will keep in mind, that when you are writing the relation, okay, that relation should be in a particular order. We can't say, we can't interchange them, है ना? हम क्या कर सकते हैं, जो ये order है उसको interchange नहीं कर सकते. We can't interchange that order. Yeah, I think this is clear to all. What we are studying the topic that is relation. Okay, and in that relation, what we study today, that is first, what do you mean by order pair? Okay, Order pair, when we are writing the relation, the next one, the quality of a order pair. Quality of ordered pair. Is some network issue. Now it is okay. So what we are studying, that is equality of ordered pair. Okay. So what do you mean by that equality? When we are saying the order pair, the pair AB and C are equal. We have two pair, that is AB and CD. Okay. If I am saying this AB is equal to CD, so what should be the condition here? That A should be equal to C and B should be equal to D. Okay. It's only possible if I'm saying that A equal to C and B equal to D. If I'm saying here that value AB, okay, and 2, 3, these are equal. These are equal pair. These both are equal. Then what I will say here, that only it is possible when A equals to 2 and B equals to 3. अगर A किसके इक्वल आ जाएगा, 2 के इक्वल, और B किसके इक्वल आ जाएगा बेटा, that is equal to 3. So then only we can say that they are equal order. Okay. Then next term that is very important. Those mathematics, for them it is very important term. So that is Cartesian product. The point is here Cartesian product. Cartesian product of two. What we are dealing with the Cartesian product of two set. Okay. अभी तक आपने क्या पढ़ा था, सिर्फ सेट के बारे में पढ़ा. That when we have a well-defined collection, so that well-defined collection, what we say that is a set. वो क्या होती है, हमारे पास set होती है. But what we are doing today, that is Cartesian product. आज हम क्या करेंगे, किसके बारे में स्टडी करेंगे कि अगर आपके पास कोई दो सेट है and when we multiplying, okay, when we are taking the product of that, so that is called what? Cartesian product. So let's see that what is the Cartesian product of sets. Okay, let A and B be two non-empty set. What I am taking here, non-empty set. This is called. What do you mean by non-empty? Non-empty का मतलब क्या होता है बेटा, कि जिसके अंदर कुछ ना कुछ हो. Okay, when I'm considering a set A, so it has something. Okay, it is not a empty set. An empty set, we all know, that is denoted by 5. क्या करते हैं, सर्कल बीच में वर्टिकल लाइन होते हैं, क्या बोलते हैं, that is called what? A empty set. Okay, but what we have here, these two A and B which have something. इन दोनों सेट्स के अंदर क्या है, कोई ना कोई वैल्यू है, और इसीलिए इसको क्या बोला गया, नॉन एम्प्टी. ओके, then the set of all order pair here A. What is that order pair? Listen, this is very important. When you are taking the order pair here, अगर आप क्या कर रहे हो, इस सेट को ले रहे हो, एक सेट क्या है, एक पेयर क्या है, A B. So what is the condition here? That first element should belong to A. पहला एलिमेंट हमेशा किस में जाएगा बेटा, सेट में से. किसमें से, सेट में से, सेट A. क्लियर? एंड जो दूसरा पेयर में हमने जो सेकंड एलिमेंट लिखा है, that should belong to B. Okay, what is order pair? Cartesian product हम क्या कह रहे हैं, that if you are having a set A and B, हमारे पास दो सेट है, सेट क्या है, A B, and that should be non-empty. Then the set of order pair of A B, where first element belong to first and second element belong to second. First किस में से जाएगा, first में से, और second किस में से जाएगा, belong to the second. Then what we see here, that it is called Cartesian product. It is called Cartesian product of A and B. A and B. अब product को कैसे लिखते हैं? All know that how to write the product, like 2 cross 3. Okay, 2 cross 3. So same I am writing here that when you are having a product of A and B set, what I will write A cross B. हम क्या लिखेंगे बेटा वहां पर? A cross B. Cartesian product, how to denote a product? That is first to write first set cross then second set. Clear? And what will be the value here? That A cross B, that will come equal to AB, है ना? AB, ये जो क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट होगी वो किसके इक्वल आएगी? दैट इज AB. हाउ? दैट A बिलोंग्स टू A. जो फर्स्ट एलिमेंट होगा वो आएगा फर्स्ट में से, एंड द सेकंड एलिमेंट बिलोंग्स टू द सेकंड सेट. क्लियर? सो दिस इज व्हाट वी कॉल द कार्टेशियन प्रोडक्ट ऑफ द टू सेट्स. ओके, आई थिंक दिस इज क्लियर टू ऑल. You can give the response on the discussion group. Hurry up, be fast. If it is clear, Cartesian product is clear to all, then you can give the response there that ma'am it's clear, or if you have a doubt I will repeat it. Okay. So now after this, next step is that how to find it for the numbers. ये तो हमने कोई भी जनरल केस किया था, है ना? That if I am having any number that is A and B, if I am having any set, है ना? नंबर की बजाय किसके ऊपर अप्लाई होता है? That is applied on the set. If a set is A and another set that is B, clear? So if I am having a set, let it is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is a set. Set is 1, 2, 3, 4. I think this is visible to all. A set that is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, another set let that is equal to 3, 4. एक सेट हमने कंसीडर किया, इसमें एलिमेंट्स है, क्या एलिमेंट्स है? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and another set that is 3 and 4. So how to find out the Cartesian product? हमने यहाँ क्या find out करना है? We have to find out the Cartesian product. So listen it carefully. What we write here, that Cartesian product that is equal to order pair AB. एक तो pair में आकर करेगा. Okay, and then first element should belong to the first set and second belong to the second set. Okay, first element किस में से जाएगा बेटा? First set में से, और second element किस में से जाएगा? Second में से. So if I am having 1, so 1 will go with the 3, then 1 with the 4, 2 with 3, then 2 with the 4, then the next element is 3, 3 with 3, and then next 3 with the 4. Okay, so these all are the elements. With 4 also you can take, yes, take with 4, 4, 3, okay, 4, 3, and then next is 4, 4. Okay, so this is how we can write the Cartesian product. Clear? I think this is clear to all. Okay, what we are writing? We are writing the Cartesian product. कैसे लिखते हैं Cartesian product? First element should belong to the first set and second with the second set. 1 किसके साथ लिया मैंने? 1 को 3 के साथ. 1 with the 4. Then take the another element that is 2. 2 with 3, 2 with 4. Then take the third element that is 3, 3 with 3, 3 with 4. Then take the fourth element that is 4, 4 को 3 के साथ और किसके साथ? 4 को 4 के साथ. Okay, clear? Now the next is when these are equal. If I am saying that A cross B, is A cross B equal to B cross A? No, A cross B कभी भी क्या होती है? B cross A के इक्वल नहीं होगी. If I am having any cross product A cross B and that is I am saying equal to B cross A, it is unless when A equal to B. जब तक A B के इक्वल नहीं आ जाता तब तक हम क्या करते हैं? क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट को इक्वल नहीं लेते. A cross B is not equal to B cross A. It is only possible when we are having that when the set are same. दोनों के दोनों सेट क्या होने चाहिए? सेम होने चाहिए. Okay, then next is A cross B equal to 5. The next is when we have A cross B that is equal to 5. Means cross product is coming equal to 5. So it is only possible when this is the first result. Okay, that when we are saying A cross B equal to 5. So it is only when one or both are empty. अगर दोनों के दोनों एम्प्टी होंगे, ओके, या फिर इनमें से एक एम्प्टी होगा, तो जो क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट हो जाती है वो किसके इक्वल हो जाती है, दैट विल कम इक्वल टू 5. क्लियर? ओके. एंड इफ A cross B not equal to 5, only when A is not equal to 5 and B is not equal to 5. अगर A भी 5 के इक्वल नहीं है और B भी 5 के इक्वल नहीं है, then we say that cross product is not equal to 5. तो क्रॉस प्रोडक्ट क्या होगा, 5 के इक्वल नहीं होगा. Okay, so these are some examples. Okay, so let's start the exercise now. Okay, this is clear, I think, to all the students that how to find the Cartesian product. Cartesian product को कैसे हम क्या कर सकते हैं, लिख सकते हैं. So here question is, if the order pair is x minus 1 comma y plus 3 and 2 comma x plus 4. Listen carefully that what is the question here. We have the question that x minus 1, this is the question, x minus 1 comma y plus 3 that and 2 comma x plus 4. These are two order pair. ये आपको क्या given है बेटा, two order pair है. Okay, now these are equal order pair. ये कैसे है बेटा, these are equal order pair. Okay, now what we have learned कि अगर आपके पास जो पेयर है वो इक्वल हो जाए, what we say that first element is equal to the another element. Okay, जो first order है उसका first element किसके equal होगा, it is equal to the first element of the another one. So here you have to find, question is to find x and y. क्या find out करना है, x and y. So first is x minus 1 that will come equal to 2 and second is y plus 3 that is equal to here x plus 4. Yeah, that is equal to x plus 4. First element किसके equal है, first के equal and second element is equal to the second. Okay, so how to find it, let's see. X is equal to 2 minus 1 that is equal to 3 and here y plus 3. X की वैल्यू कितनी है हमारे पास, 3 plus 4. Okay, now solve it. 3 with 3 cancel out and y equal to 4. So this is the answer, that x equal to 3 and y equal to 4. Okay, so I think this is clear to all. Okay. Now the next question is for you. You just write down. Find the value of A and B. Find the value of A and B. Where A plus 1 comma B minus 2 that is equal to 3 comma 1. Answer it in summation group. Hurry up. A plus 1 B minus 2 that is equal to 3 comma 1. A plus 1 B minus 2 that is equal to 3 comma 1. Answer it. I want to see that how many of you can answer. Very good. A equal to 2 and B equal to 3. That's good. B equal to 4. Dimple. Let's see here. A plus 1. This is the first element and this is the another first element. So A plus 1 that is equal to 3. A will come equal to 3 minus 1 that is 2. Here. Compare the second element that is B minus 2 and B minus 2 that is equal to 1. तो b equal to minus 2 इधर जाएगा तो 1 plus 2 किसके इक्वल आएगा बेटा, 3. So answer is but 2 comma 3. Okay, it's not in order here. Don't write like this. Simply you write down a equal to 2 and b equal to 3. A की वैल्यू कितनी आई है 2 और b की वैल्यू कितनी आई है बेटा, that is equal to 3. Got it? Now answer the next one. That is a by 3 plus 1 comma b minus 2 by 3. To prove here, to find a and b. A by 3 plus 1 b minus 2 by 3 equal to, ये जो वैल्यू है a by 3 plus 1 that should come equal to 5 by 3. So a by 3 plus 1 is equal to 5 by 3. A by 3 equal to 5 by 3 plus 1, take that side, minus 1. A by 3 it equals to 2 by 3 and answer is equal to 3. Now same as you find out the value of b. B की value find out करके बताओ. What is the value of b here? What is the value of b in this? B is 1. Okay. Okay. So all are answering b equal to 1. So let's see this one. B minus 2 by 3 that is equal to 1 by 3. Okay. Now take this minus 2 by 3. ये जो minus 2 by 3 है इसको इस साइड लेके जाते हैं. On this right hand side 1 by 3 plus 2 by 3. So that will come equal to 3 by 3. Yes, answer is right. That is equal to 1. Okay. So this is the first type of this exercise, that how to find out the unknown values when we have ordered pair. है ना? The condition is this, that when we have ordered pair. When we have ordered pair, we compare the elements. The first element होगा that we compare with the first one, and second we compare with the second. Now come to the next one. That if you have any set, that is P, question is P equal to 7 and Q that is equal to 5, 4 and 2. These two are you. First set with the element 7 and 8, and another one that is with the element 5, 4 and 2. Clear? So now the question is to find P cross Q. Question is to find the order pair. So first of all, place a curly bracket. सबसे पहले आपको क्या लिखना पड़ेगा यहाँ पर? Curly bracket. Okay, curly bracket. Now write the first element 7 and with that 5. So what will come? 7, 5. Next 7, 4. Next 7, 2. Means this first element we relate with the all these elements which are in second. जो आपके पास किसमें है? Second set में. Then next take 8 with 5. Then 8 with 4. Next 8 with the 2. So this is how we can find out the cross product. Okay, Cartesian product. Now your question is that find Q cross P. Hurry up. Find Q cross P. Find the value of Q cross P. Let's see how many of you have given the answer. Very good. It is 5, 7, 4, 7, 2, 7. Good. 5, 8, 4, 8, 2, 8. Very good, beta. Who is the student? Just name yourself. Dimple. Good. Yes, this is how we can find out the cross product. Okay. This is 5, 7. Then 4, 7. Then 2, 7. Next is here 5, 8. Then 4, 8. And then last is 2, okay. Okay. Now the next question is in front of you. That is n of a equal to 2. N of a means what do you mean n of a? That is number of element in A. Set A के अंदर कितने number of एलिमेंट है उसको हम किससे डिनोट करते हैं बेटा, n of a से. ओके, लाइक दिस इज व्हाट आई हैव, n of a that is equal to 2. मतलब क्या है, n मतलब what we call it, that we call cardinal number. Cardinal number. Cardinal number means the number of element in that set. Number of elements in that set. Okay. So how many are there? How many are there? Number of element in A, that is equal to 2. Wait for a second. So this is given n of A, that is equal to 2. Now, if b equal to minus 103, what is the number of element in A cross B? Number of element of A cross B. So listen carefully. When we have any set, let it equal to 2 and another set with the element 3. Okay, therefore your wish, you can take when 1 2 3 कुछ भी ले सकते हैं. So what is the total number of relations, है ना, total number of Cartesian जो प्रोडक्ट होंगे, जो टोटल एलिमेंट्स आएंगे वो कितने आएंगे. So if you are taking here a b, let a b, and I am taking here c d e f. So let's think of it, है ना. First a के साथ कितने एलिमेंट आएंगे, 4. Clear? And then with the b also we take the how many elements, 4. So that will come equal to 8. Again telling it, if I am having a set with the number of element that is equal to a. Okay, a के अंदर कितने एलिमेंट है, 2. And b, number of element in b, that is equal to 4. Okay, so what is the number here, that is n of a, that will come number of element of a cross b, that is equal to कितना आएगा बेटा, multiply these values, 2 into 4, that equal to 8. Okay, we multiply the values here, that is n equals to a cross b, n of a cross b, that will come equal to 2 into 4, जो किसके इक्वल आएगा, 8 के इक्वल. So same as you can here find n of a if it equal to m, number of element in set a, that is equal to m, number of element in set b, that equal to n. So what is the number of element of the cross product, that is equal to m cross n. क्या होगा, m cross n के equal. What is m cross n? Here can you see this, number of element is 2 here, कितने हैं, 2. And in this b set में कितने एलिमेंट है, b equal to 1 2 3. How many elements, 3. So what is the product here, m cross n means 2 cross 3, that is equal to 6. So what is the answer here, that equal to 6. Got it? Is it clear to all? How to find out the total number of element in m cross a cross b, any Cartesian product. You have to multiply the number of elements of that set and then easily you can find it. Okay, now one more question is here, that is write down, if a is a set with number of element 3 and b is a set with element 3 4 5, what is the number of element of a cross b? Hurry up, answer it. If n of a equal to 3, n of b, that is equal to 3 4 5, and a cross b, that is equal to question mark, then what is the, hurry up, answer it. 31 students are here, so all can give the reply here. Very good, answer is coming 9. Yes, it is right. Okay, so n of a, it is equal to 3, n of b, that is equal to 3 4 5. What is the cross product beta? It's very simple. Number of elements are 3, number of elements in b, that is also 3. So what will be total number of element in the cross product, that is equal to 3. So this is how we can values. Okay. If A equals to -1, comma 1, then find, can we find out A cross A cross A? 3 products we can find out. क्या हम 3 products को find out कर सकते हैं? Yes. We can make the order pair accordingly. Okay. A cross A cross A. So first write the element of -1, 1 means किसके एलिमेंट लिखने हैं? A के. Then with that -1, 1. With that again -1, 1. Clear? Okay. And now solve it. First you have to write down the first element. पहले first element लिखने होते हैं. तो -1, -1 and -1. Here 3 elements are there. 3 sets are there, na? A cross A cross A. Okay. So we write down the 3 elements. Then next -1, -1, 1. Then -1, minus plus 1, 1. Like this. Then -1, -1, plus 1 and 1. Here. Here minus. Then -1, minus plus 1, minus 1. Okay. Like this we can write down so many values which are here. Okay. And how many elements that will exist? That is 2 cross 2 cross. Total जो number of elements बनेंगे इस product के Cartesian product के, that is the product of these 2 cross 2 cross 2. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. So total number of elements should be 3. Okay. This is what about today, which we have learned. All have to revise it. Okay. From first exercise you can revise this one. Okay. And till then, take care all of you. Bye.